Okay, here we go. We've got another Regency fan here, and this is in a big bathroom, so it's very echoey, sorry. Let me try to tone this down just a bit. So that I might be able to look at those lights. Now they've got a neat pattern to them. You see that there? And so that'll be the lighting kit that is on this base fan. It's got a neat spatter pattern on it. And then the wood grain blades there. And there's no dimmer, and that pull chain on the bottom, I'm pretty sure, just turns the lights on and off. And the speeds will be up there, but it's on a wall. Let me turn the brightness up a little bit so we can see this. There we go. Okay, and so I'll try to get it to come on here. I'll head over there and try to throw the switch. Now that's either medium or low. It's going a little fast, so I think that's medium. It's a little off balance. But anyway, I'll turn it off now and let it come to a long, slow stop. Okay, there we go. Now, same as usual, I know it's a Regency, but I don't know the model name. If I haven't figured it out and it's not up there in the title, let me know. Or if I've got the wrong name up there, let me know that too. And I appreciate any help, and thanks for watching.